students. Due to some home problems, I am not available for continuation of video series of class 10th biology. Sorry for that, but now I am available to continue the video series of class 10th biology. As we are studied in previous video series about life processes, different types of life processes, nutrition, and we are studying about respiration, in which we have already studied about respiration, that respiration is the process of breakdown of simple organic food materials into inorganic materials, and during this process energy is released in the form of ATP. Uh, it is of two types, that is breathing and cellular respiration. Breathing is of two types, inhalation and exhalation. Inhalation is the process of intake of oxygen from air, and exhalation is the process of releasing of carbon dioxide, which is produced during the process of respiration, that is breakdown, during the process of breakdown of organic food materials like glucose inside the cell of living organisms. And second process of respiration is cellular respiration, because this process is performed inside the cells of the living organisms. Uh, in the process of cellular respiration, cytoplasm and mitochondria is involved, and the process of respiration is divided into two types according to the chemical reactions performed inside the cell in different regions of the cells. Now, respiration is of two types, that is aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration is the process of respiration in which oxygen is utilized, or oxygen is present in proper amount inside the cell of the living organisms, and the process of respiration is performed completely inside the cells of the living organisms. So the process of aerobic respiration is the type of respiration in which oxygen is utilized in the whole process of respiration. It means that during the process of aerobic respiration, complete breakdown of organic food materials is taken place, and the formation of carbon dioxide and water is taken place. And during this process, large amount of energy is released in the form of ATP, and that large amount of energy is utilized by living organisms to perform different types of activities. So, aerobic respiration is the complete breakdown of organic food materials in carbon dioxide and water. Second process is anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration is the process of respiration in which oxygen is not present inside the cell of the living organisms. And during this process, the process of incomplete breakdown of organic food material is taken place. It means that after the process of breakdown of organic food material, carbon dioxide and water is not formed. During the process of anaerobic respiration, alcohol is formed. Different types, rather different types of organic material is formed other than ox- mm, other than carbon dioxide and water. And this process of incomplete breakdown of simple food material is called anaerobic respiration. And why this process of incomplete breakdown of simple organic food material is taken place? Due to absence of oxygen. So anaerobic respiration is the process of respiration in which the process of breakdown of organic food material is taken place in the absence of oxygen, and the organic material formed is actually the complex materials like ethyl alcohol or lactic acid. And the process example of an aerobic respiration, that is incomplete breakdown of food material, is fermentation, which is performed by yeast. And second example is process of formation of lactic acid in the muscles of human beings. So the process of anaerobic respiration can be understand by these examples like fermentation and lactic acid. During the process of fermentation, uh, glucose breaks down into ethyl alcohol, and during this process very little amount of energy is released. And during the process of formation of lactic acid inside the muscle cells of living organisms like human beings, uh, organic food materials breaks into lactic acid, and in this process also very little amount of energy is released. The process of aerobic respiration is performed in two parts. That is, the first process is called glycolysis, in which the glucose breaks down into simple organic material, that is pyruvic acid. Uh, this process of glycolysis is also performed during the process of anaerobic respiration, and this process is performed in the cell and in the cytoplasm of the cell. But further process of breakdown of that pyruvic acid is performed inside the mitochondria during the process of aerobic respiration. And during this process of breakdown of pyruvic acid into carbon dioxide and water, um, large amount of energy is released inside the mitochondria of the cell. That's why mitochondria is called powerhouse of the cell, because um, the complete breakdown of simple organic food material is taken place inside the mitochondria of the cell, and large amount of energy is released inside the mitochondria of the cell in the form of ATP, and that ATP is further utilized by living organism to perform different types of activities. But in the case of anaerobic respiration, only the process of breakdown of glucose into pyruvic acid, and further the process of breakdown is performed inside the cytoplasm of the cell, in which in the case of fermentation, um, ethyl alcohol is formed, and in the case of muscle cells, lactic acid is formed. That's why, um, due to during the process of exercises, hard cardiac rather cardiac exercises like running and different types of hard exercises, due to absence of or due to lack of oxygen, sometimes muscle muscular cramps are formed in the muscles of the human beings, and this is formed this process of formation of cramps are due to incomplete breakdown of glucose due to absence of oxygen, and the formation of lactic acid during the process of incomplete breakdown of food materials, which is called anaerobic respiration. So in this video we have studied about types of respiration, which is of two types: aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration is performed in the presence of oxygen, and aerobic respiration is performed in the absence of oxygen. During the process of aerobic respiration, complete breakdown of glucose or simple food material is taken place, and during the process of anaerobic respiration, incomplete breakdown of organic food material is taken place. During the process of aerobic respiration, large amount of energy is released. Rather, during the process of anaerobic respiration, little amount of energy is released. These are the basic difference between aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration is performed inside the cytoplasm and mitochondria of the cell. Aerobic respiration is performed inside the cytoplasm and mitochondria of the cell. Rather, anaerobic respiration is performed inside the cytoplasm of the cell. And we have also studied about uh, examples of anaerobic respiration, that is fermentation, which is performed by yeast, and mm, formation of lactic acid in the muscle cells of human beings. These are the examples of anaerobic respiration. So we have studied about the types of respiration, that is aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Thank you for watching this video.